Hi Year 4, it's Miss Ryan here. I hope you're okay. Now for this video we're going to be looking at lines of symmetry. Okay, now with lines of symmetry, a line of symmetry is basically if you were to cut something in half or you were to have a mirror, it would still look the same either side, okay? Now what we're going to do today is look at some shapes and discuss the lines of symmetry in here, okay? Now, we're going to start off with a simple 2D shape, which is an equilateral triangle, okay? Now, with a line of symmetry, we usually represent it by drawing dashed lines, okay? Now, an equilateral, you know that it has 3 equal sides. That's really important with lines of symmetry, that it's equal, okay? So I could do a line down here, because it'd still be the same. I could turn it. Oh, I've just knocked over something, but it doesn't matter. Again, I could draw a line down here, and it'd still be the same. And again, if I twist it again, I could draw a line down this corner and it'd still be the same, which means that a triangle, an equilateral triangle that is, has 3 lines of symmetry, okay? Now, if we go to the next one, could be a rectangle. Okay, now here, if I was to cut across, it's not the same, okay? You can see that it wouldn't work. So a rectangle, although it has 4 sides, it only has 2 lines of symmetry because I can cut it down the middle and it would still be the same. And I could cut it widthways and it'd still be the same. So a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Right, your turn. I would like you to try and do a square. Okay, so I want you to pause the video now. Pause it and I want you to go and show me the lines of symmetry in a square. Okay, now I hope you've just paused your video. Now with a square, you know it has 4 equal sides. So that should give you a hint of how many lines of symmetry it's got. So you've got 1, 2, again you can cut across now, 3 and 4, okay? Now today you may come across some more obscure shapes, okay? Now for example, you may come across a nice little heart, okay? So if you look at here, look. What do you think? Can you see? Can you cut across it? Would it still be the same if you cut across? No. How about if you did it on an angle? No, it wouldn't have the same. It wouldn't be the same. How about this side? No. How about down that middle? Yes. So it has 1 line of symmetry. Okay. Next one. This is called a trapezium. These are different shapes that we'll start to learn when we come back to school. Okay, now look at it again. If we're going across, it wouldn't work because this half is bigger than this half. If we're going diagonally, nope, wouldn't work. Neither would it work the other way. However, it would work if we go down the middle. So trapezium has 1 line of symmetry. The final one I want you to go on is this shape here. I'm not sure whether you know what this shape is, but it's almost like a square, a rectangle that's going off to the side. And we call this shape a parallelogram, okay? Now, when I was at school, I always used to get this confused with the lines of symmetry, okay? And I always used to think, yeah, it does. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't get mixed up. This shape here has no lines of symmetry. So just remember that. That is the trick with lines of symmetry here. But I want you to have a go. Remember with that dotted line and almost just see. If you've got a mirror, that would be amazing. But if you don't worry. You could almost cut it out and fold it to see if it looked the same. Or just look at it in your eye. Clearly, it wouldn't be the same if you were to cut in certain ways. So have a go. Any questions, please post it.